focus now and speak of the Kolkata gang rape case, the investigation update that we have. Police is now trying to recreate the crime scene. Now the police has been conducting the reconstruction at the college around 4 hours that they took the time, along with the accused Monojit Mishra, who was taken to the spot. And what has now been said that the probe is picking pace in Kolkata gang rape case. Now, as far as the custody is now is concerned of the main accused, as he remains in the custody, we are looking at the police that has been recreating the crime scene, this unfortunate incident that was that had taken place at a law college there in Calcutta, and there has been questions as far as the background of the accused in the case, which is said to have criminal antecedents and is said to be a history sheeter as well. Now, the update that we are picking up in the investigation, with the time that the police has the accused in their custody, they have been now trying to recreate the crime scene. And as far as there have been medical reports that are also concerned, victim of the survivor in the case, they have been confirming sexual assault and also multiple injuries there to her private parts, to her other body parts as well. Now, at least taking 4 hours of the reconstruction time at the crime scene, we are looking at the pictures at the time when the police, along with the accused Monojit Mishra, was taken to the same area as far as the law college premises is concerned, where the crime is said to have taken place. We have Ridhita with us, joining us live. When we speak of the politics also, it is BJP versus the TMC. But on part of the investigation, Ridhita, what more can you tell us?
Right, you have seen that this week has been a movement of swift investigation, as Monojit and Zeb's phone location has also been tracked before their arrest today morning. We see that the 3 accused, along with the security guard who has also been taken under custody now, whose presentation in the court is to be said today, has been taken around the college, especially in the union room and the guard room, where this incident at the night of 25th happened, and the reconstruction of the crime scene had taken place with about 4 hours in the earlier morning today. We have seen that the victim was taken last week itself when the first reconstruction at the college site happened. But today we see that Monojit, along with the 3 other accused, which is Zeb, Pramit and the security guard, had been taken to the crime site. That is the latest that we are picking from the investigation, as the detective department of the Kolkata police branch has taken over this case.
All right, Ridhita, there is more updates coming in as far as when it comes to the accused and their locations are also concerned. Their mobile location, that is also being traced by the police, and also what is said to be the register that was used to write the general body meeting details, that has also been.
Absolutely. You see that yesterday the police, the Kasbah police station has also tracked into the mobile location of Zeb and Monojit. So what came into surface is Zeb and Monojit's location to be found in the Fern Road region, which is just few kilometers away from the college, and this had taken place just before the arrest. Now questions are raising up. Who did Monojit and Zeb that night go and meet? Why had they gone to the Fern Road region? Because lot of questions that are now coming to surface. Is there somebody very influential that they had gone to get themselves free from the case, to get their security prior in hand before of the arrest that was made with them? Also, police is now tracking into Pramit Mukherjee, who is the 3rd accused in the case and was present that very night. His locations are also now being traced by the investigative department. And secondly, yesterday we have also seen the general body meeting date, timings and other details of the meetings. The minutes of the meetings used to be written. That has been taken in.
We are getting the updates on the investigation that has been taking place, Ridhita is updating us as far as the probe now has turned to the crime scene where it has taken place. The accused along with the others as well, main accused along with the other accused as well, who have been taken by the police for the reconstruction there at the crime scene. Ridhita, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast.